Hello dear friends. In this video we gonna exploring exciting and practical tips to enhance your intelligence according to Mindset Mastery Part 1. Understanding, Mindset Mastery, and Elevating Intelligence. Before we dive into the tips, let's briefly touch on the concept of Mindset Mastery. It refers to the skill of controlling our mental outlook, enabling us to shift perspectives, beliefs, and tap into our inner positive energy. This is the key element that plays a pivotal role in boosting our intelligence. Part 2. Smart Tips for Elevating Intelligence. Now, let's move on to the heart of the matter. The smart tips that can make you smarter than ever. Brain exercises. Just like any other muscle, the brain benefits from exercise. Engaging in activities such as solving puzzles, riddles, and memory games can improve brain function and cognitive abilities. Meditation and mindfulness. Meditation helps calm your mind and enhances focus. It has been shown to boost cognitive abilities, making you sharper and more alert. Continuous learning and reading. Reading thought-provoking books, diverse articles, and pursuing continuous learning through courses and educational resources can deepen your knowledge and critical thinking. Diverse thinking. Embrace diverse thinking instead of focusing solely on one area. This allows you to make connections between different concepts, enhancing your creativity and problem-solving skills. Healthy nutrition. A proper diet for your brain is essential. Consuming foods rich in nutrients like fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids can enhance brain function and overall cognitive abilities. Conclusion. Smart tips for boosting intelligence. Dear friends, by combining the concept of mindset mastery and these smart tips, you can experience an intelligence that makes you more skillful and brilliant than ever before. By focusing on mind control, motivation, and improving thinking skills, you can get closer to your greater goals. If you have any tips for enhancing intelligence that you'd like to share or any experiences in this field, please feel free to leave them in the comments section. Thank you for watching and sharing your positive energy. Here's to smarter and more accomplished days ahead.